recording.
What's wrong with it?
At least he's wearing a high vis.
What, an R6?
I'm gonna look cool, man.
I wear high vis all the time at work, so Ash said I wear it in the warehouse and take off.
Oh, yeah.
Don't mind.
Yeah. I forgot how like hunchback it is.
Yeah, I'll let you go, mate.
Oh yeah, see me. Oh, your bike sounds amazing.
Yeah, it does. Oh man, your seat is so comfortable. Oh.
And I forgot how uncomfortable sports bikes are.
Man, it's just the seat. It's just, oh man, these heated grips.
Are you liking them?
Ollie!
It's the thing is that
Ollie!
Ollie,
dude, the seat is so comfortable. It's like a different ass.
You don't look right on it though.
Huh?
You don't look right on it.
What?
You look weird on it.
Why? What are you saying, Paul?
It looks weird on that.
It's weird, isn't it? Got my leathers on, got some textile high-vis shit going on. Oh, my license plate's wonky.
wait, it's slow down then.
Yeah.
It's like it's definitely like pressure on you know the
On your wrist.
yeah.
Pressure on your wrist. Depends how you sit on it, and because you're quite tall as well.
Yeah. But it's so smooth.
Yeah, it's smooth. Yeah.
Oh, lovely sound.
Hi, Ollie.
It's weird. It's like I enjoy riding it, but I also don't at the same time.
Yeah, same with this. Well, actually, I really enjoy riding it. Stuff you can do, like the way you can lean on this bike, man.
Yeah.
It's different because you got. That's what I want, sort of like a. Where are you going? I want like a naked sort of bike as well.
Yeah. Oh, just the acceleration, such a thrill, you know, like just.
Yeah, it's nice.
Oh.
I thought I lost my wallet there. I was like, ah! Oh, these fucking heat grips. I need to get some.
And they're not expensive either.
No, oh no, I need to get. To be honest, I never really rode them. I'll tell you what.
Yeah.
My legs are so much cold on this because there's nothing there.
Yeah. But it's this one. It's more streamlined, isn't it?
The manoeuvrability on this fucking bike is well good. It's well good, mate. It's fucking banging, Bush.
Real good.
Man, I got the heat grips on 100%. I'm warming up my hands, my fingers, and whatnot.
No getting pins and needles this time.
No, I'm having. To be honest, I think my hands are just numb.
My neck is being cranked a little bit, but apart from that.
Whey. This is fucking comfortable as shit.
There you go. That's Aaron's review of the NC750S.
No, this is generally though. This is really. Oh no, it's just nice to have a change of bike.
Yeah. Oh. See, I'm not sure if you know, like my neck's being cranked because I'm sitting on it wrong, maybe.
Well, how were you sat right up against the tank?
My crutch is right up against it. Yeah.
Try and move your ass back a bit and bend over a bit.
Oh.
It's probably not good considering you come from a bike where you're sat there like this, like upright.
Yeah.
To that. But I love the sound of your exhaust as well.
Yeah, it's much better than what it was. It's like every time I shift the gear, it's like an orgasm.
Yeah. Hey Mike, shoot past us. Lane, shoot past.
You want me to shoot past it?
Yeah, shoot past. Yeah. I never get to watch that.
And there's you thinking, yeah, that's my bike.
Where you going?
Clearly the centre got.
Tell you what, I'm glad we got these headsets on. You would have gone the other way.
Your petrol light's on.
What?
Yeah. Yeah, petrol light's on. But
man.
you've still got a while before that needs filling up.
Yeah, I've just only filled it up a few days ago. what do you think of it?
Well, your bike?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's amazing. It's a fantastic bike. It's just, I think it's just where I'm not used to the riding position. It's just uncomfortable.
This is a fucking dream. This is so nice. Go. Oh, watch out on this fucking roundabout, by the way.
Oh shit.
Take it wide.
I might wait for this bus to pass then, because he's gonna be taking it. Yeah. Oh, actually, that wasn't too bad.
That was alright.
That wasn't too bad. Come on, taxi driver.
Dude, your bike sounds like a thunderstorm. Saying that though, when I'm not actually moving anyway, it gets quite on my hands.
Yeah, it's like I normally have it on 75, which is good for me. But like you said, like when you're not moving, it can burn. I'm gonna go in here.
Oh, you went in forwards.
Yeah, so I did. I didn't want to reverse because I don't have really that much peripheral vision. Oh,
You
bastards!
You asshole!
Back off, man! Back off!
No, fuck you! I'm parking over here.
Yeah, I honestly, I love your bike. It's uncomfortable, but it's a pleasure to ride. If that makes sense.
Yeah, I know.
Just give it a little. Yeah, just
The
go.
only thing I hate about this bike is the fucking stand.
I was thinking the same about yours.
So awkward.
Oh shit! Best not park it there. Yeah, because the wardens here are.
What they do? What they do the bikes though?
They'll give you a ticket.
What?
But. Alright. Hey, I just park here.